Hello everyone, in this short video we will try to find out the way how we can merge more than one hyperlinks in a single cell. You can't do that in a conventional way. So the turnaround will be, we can go to insert and we can find any shape, maybe this one, and now we will draw a shape, and since there are three hyperlinks we will be making three shapes like this. So now we can go to the first link, copy this text, come to the first box, right click, go to edit text, control V. Now we can select this and we can reduce the size maybe like this, and we can go to shape format and we can say shape fill, no fill, and shape outline, no outline, because the font was in white colors, not visible. We can go to we can color this as black. Now it's all visible. Now we can place it here. Now again one task is remaining. We have to go back to the cell again. We have to copy this text, and now we will right click over this again and go to link, and in the address we will paste this. Now we will click OK. So now we can see this link is very much workable. Now we can do with this another box the same way. We will go to the second cell, we will copy this, Control C, we will again right click here, go to edit text, we paste it here. We will decrease the size like this, and we will go to shape format and we can do shape fill, no fill, and shape outline, no outline. So again we will place it here because the font is in white color, it's not visible. We'll make it black, and again we will just right click again and go to link, and we will paste the text as a link here. We'll press OK. Now both of these links are like individual links. This is google.com, this is onedrive.com. You can see that we are getting the different links, but it can be it has been merged in a single cell. You can do the formatting whatsoever you like you can increase the sizes and those things using format painter. You can do many such stuffs. Okay, thank you guys, and please like, share and subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you all.